Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds.
Start. In view of the discussion regarding the provisions of Section 219 and the conclusions arrived at by this court, with respect, we are unable to agree with the view expressed by the learned single judge in Satish Kumar Jayanti Lal Shah (Supra), which, in our opinion, cannot be considered to be good law. Full stop. Para. In respect of in special criminal application numbers 1716 to 1718 of 2005, 3 complaints were filed in respect of the dishonor of 3 checks. Full stop. The prayer made by the petitioners for trial of all the 3 cases together was rejected by the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate, Jamnagar YD, order dated 25/1/2005, and the revision applications filed in all 3 cases against the order of rejection were also dismissed by separate orders dated 14/10/2005. Full stop. While dismissing the revision applications, the learned additional sessions judge, Jamnagar has issued directions to ensure that all the 3 criminal cases should be conducted in the same court and be fixed for hearing on the same day. Full stop. Section 219 of the Code confers discretion upon the magistrate to the effect that if a person is charged with 3 offences and the same were committed within the space of 12 months, he may be charged and tried at one trial for the said 3 offences. Full stop. Whether the discretion conferred by Section 219 is to be exercised and, if so, in which manner, is to be seen by the trial magistrate in the facts and circumstances of the case. Full stop. In the instant petitions, the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate has not exercised the discretion conferred by Section 219 in favor of the petitioners, and for good reasons, the learned additional sessions judge, Jamnagar YD, order dated 14/10/2005, while upholding the order of the learned judicial magistrate, has directed that all the 3 criminal cases be conducted in one court and, for the convenience of parties, the date of hearing of the charges may be kept on the same day. Full stop. In our considered opinion, there is nothing arbitrary or illegal in the orders of the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate and the Revisional Court. Full stop. As a result of the above discussion, this court is of the firm view that on the facts and in the circumstances of the case, the orders passed by the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate and by the Revisional Court rejecting the prayer of the petitioner to try the criminal cases together, as contemplated by Section 219 of the Code, suffers from no legal infirmity, since the offences alleged to have been committed are more than one and that the provisions of section 219 are not applicable. Full stop. Para. It is submitted by the learned advocate for the petitioner that, ultimately, the petitioner was released on bail in connection with all the aforesaid criminal cases and at present, the aforesaid cases are pending in the court of Chief Judicial Magistrate at Rajkot, as criminal case numbers 2819 of 1998, 2774 of 1998 and 6199 of 1998. Full stop. Over.